What do you got there? What are you wearing?
Yeah, pom-pom.
Pom-pom. Yeah. We going shopping? Are we going shopping?
Look.
Yeah. Are we going shopping for bus stuff?
Bus?
Bus? Yeah.
Yeah.
Where do you go to get bus stuff? Hey? Yeah. Oh, it's all gone. Where do we go to get bus stuff? Do we go to Home Depot? Do you say Home Depot? Home Depot.
So it's a pretty dreary day today at the bus. Lots of rain. Corey's working on getting the engine back together from when we last had to fix it from the leak. But we got some exciting news that we feel it's exciting. We've decided to completely redesign our bathroom. So this is what it is at the moment. So we haven't done a ton. We're still gonna stay here. But from day one, we thought we were gonna do a composting toilet, right? Nature's Head, save our pennies, because they're about $1,400. Thought it would be the best option for us. We're gonna be off-grid a lot. It'll be good. That's how our design of our bathroom went. Like, that's, okay, we gotta put a toilet in there. We can take it out if we need to shower better or have more room. Then we decided probably about a week ago that no, we're not doing that. That's a huge investment. We did more research. We want to get on the bus sooner. So how can we possibly get into the bus sooner and have a bathroom without having to spend $1,400? So we started doing more research, looking on YouTube, and we found a way to make our own composting toilet. If you look it up, there's lots of videos out there, people showing you how you can do it. So now, a totally different design is now we need to move this wall, take it down. This now will be closed off. Our door will be over here. So, and actually the door will be shorter, or not as wide, I should say. And so when you enter the bathroom now, you'll come in on the shower side, and our little toilet now, which is gonna be a lot smaller than the Nature's Head, we're gonna build our own, is now going to be on this wall. The wonderful thing about this design is saw one video that I just loved it, because with composting toilets you use peat moss or sawdust, whatever your preference is, when you go number 2. So the great thing is that we have the toilet in the middle, and then we can have a box beside the toilet that has peat moss in it, so it's always accessible, always there. And on the other side can be storage for toilet paper and things like that. And then the nice thing now is that our curtain will have it come across the toilet when we're showering, so we don't need to worry about the toilet being waterproof the same way that if we had kept the design the same. And we now only need to have one wall with acrylic to make sure that we are completely waterproofed when we are taking a shower. I love this idea too, because now up here or on this wall, when it's here now, then next can be our shelf for all of our toiletries, for the shampoo or toothpaste, because I don't know if you've noticed, but our bathroom will not have its own sink. So anything like brushing our teeth or washing our face will be at the kitchen sink. And that's just to maximize shower space. Corey's a tall guy and didn't want to have another thing in here. Plus we're in a short bus, right? We're not in a typical school bus where we have more square footage to play with. So we're excited about the change. Yeah, it's a little more time because now we have to redesign the bathroom a little bit, but the money we're gonna save, we can get into the bus sooner. That's really what it's about. So now that that's figured out, that's what we're here to do today, and then we will be moving on to the next thing, which is the kitchen. And we've bought almost everything we need for that. So stay tuned. So our urine separator is on its way. So, but today we're able to at least place the top board of the toilet seat, and figure out on the sides the storage, how big our doors will be. So yeah.
Slam on. Standard. Okay. That line doesn't exist.
So this is where we've been converting our bus, and it's a barn that is on Corey's brother's property, and it has come in so handy to have the space. In the fall, we started looking at where we were going to actually park the bus, because like once we're living in it, And unfortunately with COVID and a lot of campgrounds we didn't realize had lotteries. So just kind of submit an application and hope that you get a spot for the season. Or some have spots, but they're ridiculously expensive. And our initial goal is to be living in the bus, working out all the possible issues, making sure our solar is where it should be at, and all that fun stuff, but still be working, right? Our normal 9-to-5ers right now. And then continue working on our other adventures, so that way we can quit those jobs one day and travel. So we talked to Corey's brother, and the lovely thing is that this space outside the barn is available. We spoke to him about parking here, and we'll not be using any of his resources, right? We're doing our best to be off-grid. So where this pop-up tent is, essentially, is where we want to park. So this will be our view when we're in the bus, when we're officially living in it. We're going to make this area over here flat again, mow it down, and that way Gwen has a front yard, essentially, and has a fun place to play, and Echo as well. Not sure what the farmer is planting this year, but usually it's corn. So by the fall, it'll just be this gorgeous field. But yeah, so it's exciting because all these little things are coming together. Well, not little things, big things. Big things are coming together. And our goal is to be living here within the next 5 to 6 weeks, as long as we can get everything that we need in order to live in it. And that's where the toilet will come in, and having running water for our kitchen. So either way, thought you'd like to know, this is where we'll be.